Dear Ate Dorina, kamusta? Sana okay ka lang. Kailangan ko ng payo mo sa isang napakahirap na sitwasyon. Nagsimula ang lahat nung nakilala ko si John sa isang conference sa Makati 6 months ago. Pareho kami nag-attend ng seminar tungkol sa digital marketing. Sa una, casual lang ang lahat. Mga simpleng hi, hello, at konting kwentuhan during breaks. Pero as the days passed, napansin kong mas napapalapit ako sa kanya. Si John ay isang napakabait at intelligent na tao. Madali siyang makagaanan ng loob at parang ang saya-saya niyang kasama. We started exchanging messages kahit tapos na ang seminar. Hanggang sa dumating na nga sa point na nagkikita kami for coffee or dinner. Sobrang saya ko tuwing kasama ko siya. Pero isang araw, nalaman ko na lang na engaged na pala siya. Sa una, akala ko joke lang. Pero totoo pala. Hindi ko alam kung bakit hindi niya agad sinabi. Pero nung malaman ko, sobrang sakit. Ang dami kong tanong sa sarili ko. Bakit ako nagkakaganito? Bakit ako nahulog sa taong hindi naman pwede para sa akin? Gusto ko siyang kalimutan, pero ang hirap. Every time na iniisip ko siya, nararamdaman ko ang sakit at pagkalito. Alam kong mali, pero hindi ko mapigilan ang nararamdaman ko. Minsan, naiisip ko na mag-back off na lang. Pero sa ibang pagkakataon, gusto ko lang siyang makasama kahit na alam kong mali. Ano ba ang dapat kong gawin? Paano ko haharapin ang sitwasyon na ito? Kailangan ko ng tulong mo para maintindihan at malampasan ko ang feelings na ito. Alam kong hindi tama ang magpursige sa isang tao na may commitment na sa iba. Pero paano ko nga ba kakayanin na kalimutan siya? Sana mabigyan mo ako ng payo, Ate Dorina. Maraming salamat sa pakikinig at pag-unawa. Warm regards, Shanice. Dear Shanice, thank you for reaching out and sharing your situation with me. I can only imagine how challenging and painful this must be for you. It's clear that you are dealing with a lot of conflicting emotions, and I want to commend you for seeking advice and support during this difficult time. First, it's important to acknowledge your feelings. Falling for someone is a complex and often uncontrollable experience. You met John, connected on a deep level, and naturally developed feelings for him. These emotions are valid and real, even though the circumstances make them complicated. Don't be too hard on yourself for feeling this way. Given the situation, here are a few steps that might help you navigate through this challenging period. Understand that it's okay to have these feelings. It's part of being human. What's important is how you handle them moving forward. Allow yourself to feel the pain and disappointment, but try not to dwell on self-blame or guilt. Since you know that John is engaged, it might be wise to create some distance between the two of you. Continuing to see him will likely only intensify your feelings and prolong your emotional struggle. Limiting contact can help you gain clarity and begin the healing process. Also, talk to trusted friends or family members about what you're going through. Sometimes, simply sharing your thoughts and feelings can provide immense relief. If you feel comfortable, consider speaking with a counselor or therapist who can offer professional guidance and support. Use this time to invest in yourself. Engage in activities that make you happy and fulfilled. Pursue hobbies. Spend time with loved ones or try something new. By focusing on your personal growth and well being, you can begin to shift your attention away from John. Reflect on your values, Shanice. Consider what you truly want in a relationship and what your values are. Reflecting on these can help you understand why it's important to respect John's commitment to his fiancée and why moving on is the healthiest choice for you. Lastly, give it time. Healing from unrequited love doesn't happen overnight. Be patient with yourself and understand that it will take time to move on. Each day, the intensity of your feelings will lessen as you focus on building a future without John. Remember, Shanice, you deserve to be with someone who can fully reciprocate your feelings and be committed to you. While it's painful now, letting go of John will open up the possibility for you to find a relationship where your love is returned equally. I'm here for you, and I believe in your strength to get through this. If you need further support or just someone to talk to, please don't hesitate to reach out. Nagmamahal, Ate Dorina.